Hello students, in today's video we shall demonstrate the initial and final setting time of cement test. The aim of the experiment is to determine the initial and final setting time for the given sample of cement. The apparatus required for the test are pipette apparatus conforming to Indian Standard 5513 1976, a needle for the initial setting time and another needle for final setting time, weighing balance and trowels. Theory. In actual construction dealing with cement, mortar or concrete, certain time is required for mixing, transporting and placing. During this time, cement paste, mortar or concrete should be in plastic condition. The time interval for which the cement products remain in plastic condition is known as the setting time. Initial setting time is regarded as the time elapsed between the moment that the water is added to the cement to the time that the paste starts to losing its plasticity. The final setting time is the time elapsed between the moment the water is added to the cement and the time when the paste has completely lost its plasticity and has attained sufficient firmness to resist certain pressure. The former defines the limit of handling and the latter defines the beginning of development of mechanical strength. The constituents and fineness of cement is maintained in such a way that the concrete remains in plastic condition for certain minimum time. Once the concrete is placed in the final position, compacted and finished, it should lose its plasticity in the earliest possible time so that it is least vulnerable to damages from external destructive agencies, and this time should not be more than 10 hours, which is referred to as final setting time, and initial setting time should not be less than 30 minutes. Procedure. Prepare a neat cement paste by gauzing 300 grams of cement with 0.85 times the water required to give a paste of standard consistency. Potable or distilled water shall be used in preparing the paste. The paste shall be gauzed in the manner and under the condition prescribed in determination of consistency of standard cement paste. Then start a stopwatch at the instant when water is added to the cement. Fill the mold with the cement paste gauzed as above, the mold resting on a non-porous plate. Fill the mold completely and smooth off or strike off the surface of the paste, making it level with the top of the mold. The cement block thus prepared in the mold is the test block. Determination of initial setting time. Place the test blocks confined in the mold and rest it on the non-porous plate under a bearing initial setting needle. Lower the needle gently in contact with the surface of the test block and quickly release, allowing it to penetrate into the test block. In the beginning, the needle will completely pierce the test block. Repeat this procedure until the needle, when brought in contact with the test block and released as described above, fails to pierce the block to a point 33 to 35 mm measured from the top of the mold shall be the initial setting time. Then the procedure to determine final setting time. So here we have to replace the needle of the pipette apparatus by the needle with an annular attachment. The cement shall be considered as finally set when upon applying the needle gently to the surface of the test block, the needle makes an impression thereon while the attachment fails to do so. The period elapsed between the time when water is added to the cement and the time at which the needle makes an impression on the surface of the test block while the attachment fails to do so shall be the final setting time. So in order to understand the procedure in a better way, let's watch a video.
In the previous experiment, normal procedure of cement, we will take 300 grams of cement, 30% of water, that is 90 ml. The presentation will be 6. Now we will take initial setting of time of cement, water is 0.85 multiplied by 0.3 multiplied by 300, that is 76.5 mm. तो अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जैसे कि इसमें दिए थे 300 ग्राम ऑफ सीमेंट, उसे 300 ग्राम ऑफ सीमेंट हम लेंगे। Now take 76.5 ml of water, pour in the, जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं मैं इसमें पानी ऐड कर चुका हूँ, तो अभी इसको अच्छी तरह से फिर मिक्स होगा। मिक्स करने के बाद हम लोग फिर वही प्रोसेस में कंटिन्यू करेंगे। तो अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको रिमूव करेंगे और फ्रीली मूव करेंगे स्क्वायर नीडल को। इनिशियल सेटिंग टाइम के लिए स्क्वायर नीडल को मूव करेंगे। अभी मूव कर दिया है तो इसका वैल्यू अभी क्या आया है, 0। तो फिर हम लोग कर्नेल को ऊपर ले जाते हैं। फोकस करता है। तो अभी 10 मिनट हो चुका है, तो मैं अभी इसको चेक करूंगा इसका वैल्यू क्या आता है। तो इसका वैल्यू अभी आ रहा है 15। तो लेट्स चेक नेक्स्ट टाइम कितना आता है। तो अभी मैं 30 मिनट के बाद चेक करूंगा, देखते हैं क्या वैल्यू आता है इसका। तो अभी इसका वैल्यू आ रहा है 9। इसको रिमूव करके रख दूंगा। तो अभी फिर लेट्स चेक करते हैं कितना वैल्यू आता है आफ्टर 35 मिनट्स। मैं आराम से रिमूव कर रहा हूँ अभी स्क्वायर नीडल को। तो अभी इसका वैल्यू आया है 6, मतलब तो अब इसका वैल्यू क्या है, पेनिट्रेशन वैल्यू आया है 6। तो इसका इनिशियल सेटिंग टाइम क्या हो गया, यहाँ पर आ गया 35 मिनट। तो अभी हम लोग ने ये 12 घंटे के बाद इसका क्या करना है, फाइनल सेटिंग टाइम का टेस्ट करना है। इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एनुलर रिंग जो है हम लोग का उसको लगाएंगे और उसको क्या करेंगे, बाइकार्ड अपरेटस को रिलीज करेंगे। ये आ गया है, तो इसको क्या आया, फाइनल सेटिंग टाइम ऑफ सीमेंट क्या आया है इधर।
Now let's fill the observation table. So for the penetration value of 6 mm, the time elapsed was 35 minutes. So the results that we obtained are the IST or initial setting time for the given sample of cement is 35 minutes and the final setting time for the given sample of cement was 12 hours. Conclusion: based on this experiment, we get the initial setting time for the cement is 35 minutes and the final setting time for the cement is 12 hours.